Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android version, active Google account, and any new payment method. Once ready, open the Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right to access settings. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi and not using a VPN unless required for a country change. You need to be deliberate now. Begin the change process in the app rather than device settings, so the Play Store updates account-specific data correctly and avoids partial. You will now change the account or country settings in the Play Store. First, switch accounts if needed via Profile, Manage Accounts, and select the correct Google ID. This immediately alters available apps. For a country change, go to Settings, General, then Account and Device Preferences, and pick the new country. You'll be asked to add a local payment method or verify an address. Do this now because Google uses payment profiles to lock country settings and prevent frequent switching. Finish by completing any verification steps and then force close and reopen the Play Store so it refreshes your account data. If you don't see changes, clear the Play Store cache or update the app and reboot the device. That often resolves sync lags. If the change is blocked, make sure payment profile details match the new country, then wait up to 48 hours for Google's backend to process it. If problems persist, contact Google support and provide payment or address proof to unblock the change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.